Sometimes with emerging technology, problems also emerge. Today, a Utah company is addressing safety at electric vehicle charging stations. As news specialist Andrew Adams found out, the founder of the company is worried about drivers being sitting ducks.
I feel like since the experience I had, I am more alert.
Even on a busy afternoon at the Draper Supercharger,
I try to look up from my phone more.
she's more wary than she used to be.
But if it's darker or if it's more remote or more lonely, I've got my head up now.
Amanda Richards says in April, she was charging around midnight when she had a disturbing encounter.
A Honda Civic with two young men in it screeched up to my car, pounded on my windows, wanted to see inside my car.
Richards says that's when her husband sat up in the car and the strangers bailed.
And all I could think of was, what if he hadn't been there?
But stories like hers are now the driver behind EV-Ject.
And as a play on words, the idea that you have the option to eject and get away.
Its inventors say it's a specialized charging connector that addresses a safety vulnerability with electric vehicles.
Because I have my EV-Ject plugged in, I can disconnect without leaving my car.
Drivers say this previously wasn't possible with cars like Teslas.
I can't shift out of park. I'm stuck.
43% of women have said that they feel exposed and vulnerable at a supercharger. So if someone were to walk up to them and either start knocking on their glass or keying their car, they have no option other than to get out and unplug before they could move.
The inventors hope the EV-Ject connector makes a difference.
What if they hadn't decided to leave?
Richards believes the difference is obvious.
So it gives me an option to drive away without having to exit my car. I don't want to be a sitting duck. I want as many options as possible to maintain my own safety.
Andrew Adams, KSL 5 News.
Thank you, Andrew. The company says there is no risk of electrical arcing. While the connector is reusable once it's used to eject, it cannot be reused. We have more information about this on our website, ksltv.com.